Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WooCommerce eBay item compatibility plugin. Now this particular plugin enables the admin to import compatible products on the WooCommerce store from the eBay store. On the storefront, the buyers can see all of the compatible items for the selected product. The admin can select any eBay imported product and can import all of the compatible items with the help of this particular plugin. Kindly note that for now this plugin is working for auto parts only. So basically this particular plugin all in all helps the store admin to import compatible items of any product from the eBay store into the WooCommerce store. The compatibility of any item can be checked using the available filters at the storefront. The admin can import the products in one go. The end user compatibility check is there and advanced filtration options at the product page on the storefront. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be checking how the customers will be able to view the product filters available right below the product description on the product page, how the customers will check the product compatibility from the compatible item section by selecting the appropriate filter options. Also, we'll see when the item is compatible, a success message pop-up will appear. Otherwise, when the item is not compatible, then an error message will be popped up to the customer. And apart from that, we will also be viewing the rest of the configuration settings at the admin's end. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that we are on one of the the very first thing that we'll see is how the customers will view the product filters available right below the product description. So here we are having this eBay product that we have imported from the eBay store into our WooCommerce store, and here you can see that we have a compatible item section wherein the customers or the users can select their year, make, model, trim, engine and check the availability of this particular product with the compatible item selection here that they have made. So for example, let me select it with 2015. The make would be BMW, the model would be X1, the trim would be S-Drive 28i, sports utility 4-door, the engine would be 2.0 liter. So for this selection that I've made here, we have to see whether this auto transmission engine radiator cooling unit OEM is compatible with the selected item here or not. So I'll tap here on the check compatibility, so you can see that the vehicle is compatible with this particular product that is there for sale or for purchase there. That's the radiator auto transmission engine radiator cooling unit basically. Now for example, if I go with any other model, let's select any other model, any other trim, any other engine, and let's check the compatibility. So here you have seen that when the item is compatible, a success message pop-up will appear and the customers will get notified that the vehicle is compatible with the particular product. And when the item is not compatible, then an error message will be popped up that would let know the customers that the vehicle is not compatible with the particular product there. So that's how this particular eBay item compatibility for WooCommerce plugin works. Now let's head on to the admin backend panel. So I've already logged into the admin backend panel by entering the username, password and tapping on the sign in button. Now after that, what we need to do is we need to go to WooCommerce eBay connector section, and here we have to go to the actions column for the edit eBay account and tap on the connected account. Then to make the initial configuration settings for the item compatibility, we'll go to the eBay settings tab. Then here we'll be going to the item compatibility settings. This we'll be setting it to as yes, and then we'll be tapping here on the save account button. And now the admin would be able to import all of the products from the eBay into their WooCommerce store, and the plugin will enable them, the admin, to import the compatible products on the WooCommerce store from the eBay store. So whenever you are importing the products from the eBay with compatible items, all of the compatible items of the particular product will also be imported with the particular product into the WooCommerce store from the eBay store there itself. So yes, that was much about the eBay item compatibility for WooCommerce, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this particular plugin enables the admin to import compatible products on WooCommerce store from the eBay store. On the storefront, the buyers can see all of the compatible items for the selected products. So here you can see the compatible items for the selected products are being listed here in a complete list. So all of these listed ones are the ones for which this particular product is compatible, and you can choose whether it's compatible with your particular model or not by choosing the options under the filter options for the compatible items here within the compatible items section itself. So the customers will check the product compatibility from the compatible items section by selecting the appropriate filter options and tapping on the check compatibility option there. So let me show you once again. Let's choose it as 2015, the make as BMW, the model as X1, S Drive 2.0. Check compatibility, the vehicle is compatible there because I've chosen from this particular compatibility list that is being displayed here to the customers that this particular product is compatible with all of these models of the vehicle there itself, right? Let me take it up. So yes, that was much about the eBay compatibility, item compatibility for WooCommerce there, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidis.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.